Ito na ang pinakamatinding magiging katapat ni VP Sara Duterte sa 2028. Na interview po ito ni Karen Davila at posible ngang tatakbo siya. Pero yun nga lang, maraming natawa. Ito, panoorin po natin kung sino yan at may laban nga ba kay VP Sara. Ito yung video, sikat to.
Last question before we go, because we're on overtime almost.
Already? Okay.
Is there a possibility that you will run for president?
Oh my God, where did that
in
come from?
2028?
That is a curveball.
Because you are a name
Ah.
that is being mentioned as a possible candidate of this administration. I mean, I'll be honest, there's Cavite, so that's a bailiwick. You're a cabinet secretary, you're quite visible. They have no candidate as of now. So is that a possibility on your end?
This is the third time I've been asked in 1 week, and I always give the same answer. In
Huh?
1998, then Governor Bongbong Marcos was asked, "Do you want to become president?" And he said, "Of course." All governors want to become president
Because you know how to govern.
and those who deny are lying.
Eh?
But
Sinabi niya yun?
Sinabi niya yun. Yeah, I think Channel 7 was the one who
Okay,
interviewed him.
okay.
But I'm not governor, so that doesn't apply to me. So
But you were governor.
I was governor.
Exactly.
Yes.
Saying applies to you. Hello. You were governor for 3 terms.
Four. Yes,
In
four
Cavite.
terms.
Oh.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
seriously. You were
Mananalo
never
pa ba ulit yan?
congressman.
Never.
Oo, that the legislating is not your cup of tea.
Not my cup of
Oo,
tea.
mayor ka
Buti na
talaga
lang.
in governor.
No, I was never governor. I was board member, vice governor, governor.
Okay, all right. And mayor.
I was never mayor.
And never ka nag-mayor.
Yeah, never
So it's
mayor.
really provincial ang level.
Yes.
Okay, so are you open to running?
It's a possibility.
Wow.
No solution yet, but it's a possibility.
Okay, but what are the factors that you would want to see before considering it?
Well, number one, of course, is my wife, if she totally
Okay,
agrees so
that's
far. Number two, the country. For me, the country has to be solidly behind. It has to be a dichotomy of candidates. It has to be a one-on-one fight.
It should not be a one-on-one.
It should be.
It should be.
It should be.
So like you against Sara Duterte.
Oh.
It's not me. It can be
Mas
Vince.
mahirap
It
yun.
can be Vince. It can be anyone. It can be Cheese. But it has to be a one-on-one.
How could it be cheese?
But whoever are the usual suspects who
No,
want
of
to
the
run.
cabinet kasi ito. How could it be cheese at this point with
Okay.
with accusations? I
But
mean,
also,
seriously.
but whoever-
So either you and Vince.
It should be a one-on-one fight.
Oh, you believe that?
I think it should be a dichotomy between the Philippines will have to choose between one version of how to govern and one version of the truth. The Philippines has to choose a common future that they think is believable.
Posible nga. Mag one-on-one fight sila ni VP Sara. Kaya naman pala talagang maraming mga usap-usapan na itong nakaraan. Bakit nga ba ay talagang bilib na bilib sa sarili niya? Kasi pati dun sa sa basketball ba yun? Na sa De La Salle ba yun, tsaka sa UP nandun din siya. 'Di ba? Nag-viral din ang video niya. Ano ba siya doon? Coach ba siya doon? Parang ganito din si dati si General Torre. 'Di ba? Ganito din. Talagang sikat na sikat din yung pangalan niya. Pero pag binalita, pinagtatawanan siya. Tapos may mga nagsasabi na pwede daw siyang gawing pangulo, pantapat ni VP Sara. Eto naman, si John Vic Rimulya. Pinagtatawanan din siya. Dito sa balita. Tingnan nyo, nag-react po dyan, 34.1k ang nag-react na tawa. Dyan po sa in-counting pa yan tumataas pa yung bilang ng tawa po. Ayon po dito sa balita po yan, nakalagay po dyan kung ilan yung tawa. Pinagtatawanan siya dito sa posible daw pagtakbo niya bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Nako, kung sakali kahit malabo ba, kung sakaling siya yung maging Pangulo ng Pilipinas, sasabihin ng mga loyalista na merong bayani na Pangulo. Tunay na bayani. Bayani daw yan, di ba? Sige. Eto sa balita. Publiko natawa sa posibilidad ng pagtakbo ni John Vic Rimulya sa 2028. hindi isinasara ni Department of Interior and Local Government o DILG Secretary John B. Rimulya ang posibilidad na tumakbo siya bilang Pangulo sa 2028 national election. Sa ngayon, nananatili raw itong isang posibilidad. Ngunit malinaw sa unang bugso ng reaksyong online, hindi pa handang seryosohin ng publiko ang pagtakbo ni John B. Rimulya. Kasi pag tumakbo talagang Pangulo yan, nako, ewan ko lang kung aabutin ng... Ewan ko lang, malabo talaga yan. Malabong manalo yan. John B. Rimulya, ano yun? Bigla-bigla na lang, pag ganyan-ganyan lang yung gagawin niya, iboboto na kaagad siya. Diba? Tapos maraming nagko-comment. Ayon sa mga nababasa natin comment, nayayabangan din sa kanya. Kaya nasasabi kong ganitong-ganito din si General Torre nakaraan. Sumikat nga. Kasi ang pagsikat po ng isang personalidad sa social media ay dalawa lang naman yan. Sumikat ka dahil gusto ka ng mga nanonood sa'yo. Sumikat ka dahil pinagtatawanan ka na. Pero wag kayo. Baka seryosohin ni John B. Rimulya na tumakbong Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Diba? Basahin po natin tong mga komento nila kung bakit tawang-tawa yung iba sa balitang yan. Sabi ni Romel Santiago, libre lang mangarap. Sabagay, libre naman talaga mangarap. Sabi ni Jerome Lagubis, lalong nakakaya na talaga ang Pilipinas pag mangyari. Sabi ni Julius Umaliviray, Toda, President, pwede pa. Anong Toda? Di ba yun yung sa tricycle ba yun? O Toda, grabe kayo. Sabi ni Rafael de la Cruz, sa Cavite nga, hindi na mananalo ang mga Rimulya. Kasi marami po tayong mga naririnig na ganyan ha, yung mga taga Cavite ako, ayaw ko na sa mga Rimulya, yung mga ganon. Titingnan po natin yan, magkaalaman naman yan. Sabi ni Arnold Santos, 30k na boto na lang ng Pinklawan, hatian mo pa. Marami din yan ha. Grabe naman kayo maka 30k lang yung boto ng Pinklawan. Mas mataas pa dyan, baka 31k. Wag kayo, malay mo magsanib puwersa yung mga yan. Posibleng mangyari yan, na magsanib puwersa sila para lamang tapatan si BP Sara. Sus, ngayon pa lang, malabo pa sa sabaw ng pusit yan. Hanggang dito na lang, thank you. Bye.